This is Mamuni. Thank you so much for being Amar Baba Ma.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. New TDS and TCS rules effective from 1st April 2025 or major changes in TDS and TCS rules from 1st April 2025. The Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had announced major changes to TDS or new limits of TDS or new sections or new rates in the Union Budget 2025. New TDS, that is tax deducted at source, and TCS, that is tax collected at source, rules or changes will take effect from 1st April 2025. It aimed to reduce the tax burden on ordinary taxpayers and businesses by eliminating unnecessary complications for financial year 2025-26 and assessment year 2026-27. In this video, I am going to tell you about all the new TDS and TCS rules or changes which will take effect from 1st April 2025. So, let's get started. Number 1. Section 194B and Section 194BB. Now, what is Section 194B and Section 194BB of the Income Tax Act? In Budget 2025, the government has simplified the TDS rules concerning winnings from lotteries, crossword puzzles, card games, online games, television game shows, television reality shows, television quiz contest, etc. under Section 194B and winnings from horse races under Section 194BB by removing the aggregate threshold or limit of rupees 10,000 in the whole in a financial year, and from 1st April 2025 TDS under sections 194B and 194BB will be applicable only if a single transaction exceeds rupees 10,000 instead of rupees 10,000 in the whole. Now let's understand this with the help of few examples. Example 1. Suppose if a person wins 3 separate lotteries of rupees 6,000 each. Before 1st April 2025, 3 separate lottery winnings of rupees 6,000 each amounting to a total of rupees 18,000 would have resulted in TDS being applicable as the combined amount of rupees 18,000 exceeded rupees 10,000. Under the new rule, which will take effect from 1st April 2025, no TDS will be deducted as no single transaction of rupees 6,000 surpasses rupees 10,000. Example 2. Suppose if a person wins 3 separate lotteries of rupees 4,000, rupees 7,000 and rupees 15,000. Before 1st April 2025, TDS would have been deducted after the person wins lottery of rupees 4,000 and lottery of rupees 7,000 amounting to a total of rupees 11,000 would have resulted in TDS being applicable as the combined amount of 2 lotteries of rupees 11,000 exceeded rupees 10,000. Under the new rule, which will take effect from 1st April 2025, TDS would be deducted only after the lottery of rupees 15,000 win, as the new rule applies to a single transaction exceeding rupees 10,000 in a financial year. Example 3. Suppose if Sunita has won rupees 3 lakhs as prize money from a TV game show and has an interest income of rupees 6 lakhs per annum, then the tax liability would be calculated as follows. Tax on rupees 3 lakhs at the rate of 31.2%, including a health and education cess of 4%, is applied, making the effective tax rate at 31.2%. And tax on rupees 6 lakhs is calculated as per income tax slab rates after claiming the relevant deductions. Important points to note. Income tax treatment of winnings under section 194B, income tax return or ITR filing. A. Winnings under section 194B are classified under income from other sources in the ITR 2 form. B. The entire winning amount is taxable. C. No deduction and exemption is allowed from such incomes. D. The winner cannot claim any deductions under section 80C, 80D or 10, 10D or any other deduction is allowed from such income. E. The benefit of the basic exemption limit and income tax slab rate is also not applicable to this income. The entire amount received will be taxable at the flat rate of 31.2%, including a cess of 4%. F. The TDS has also to be deducted on the net winnings received from online games. The online income amount received will be taxable at the flat rate of 31.2%, including a health and education cess of 4% is applied, making the effective tax at 31.2%. G. Even if the winner's total income is below the basic exemption limit, TDS is still deducted, and the TDS is calculated on the full winning amount. H. In the case of non-cash prizes like car, jewelry, property, etc., the tax is calculated based on the market value of the prize. I. TDS deduction rate under section 194B. The tax deduction under section 194B is a flat 30%. This means that irrespective of the total income or tax slab of the winner, a direct 30% deduction is made from the prize amount before distribution. With this, a health and education cess of 4% is applied, making the effective tax at 31.2%. Now, let's go through the tax deduction on non-cash prizes or prize money received in kind. Example 4. Suppose if Ranveer wins a car in a TV reality show whose market value is rupees 10 lakhs, then tax at the rate of 31.2%, which is equal to 10 lakhs into 31.2% is equal to rupees 3 lakhs 12,000 must be paid before the car is given to the winner. Please note, there is no exemption limit for tax deductions. Even if Ranveer's total income is below the basic exemption limit, TDS is still be deducted and the TDS is calculated on the full winning amount. In the case of non-cash prizes, the tax is calculated based on the market value of the prize. Please note, in cases where the prize is given both in cash and in kind or non-cash, the total tax should be calculated on the cash portion of the prize and on the market value of the price given in kind, and the tax amount should be deducted while giving the cash portion of the prize to the winner. But if the cash prize is not sufficient to cover the total tax liability, then either the winner or prize distributor should pay the deficit. What are the consequences of non-compliance with Section 194B? Well, if the payer fails to deduct or deposit TDS under Section 194B, they face penalties and legal consequences. Number 1. Interest penalty. 1% per month if TDS is not deducted. 1.5% per month if TDS is deducted but not deposited. Number 2. What is the penalty amount? Penalty amount is equal to the unpaid tax amount. Number 3. Imprisonment. Between 3 months to 7 years depending on the severity of non-compliance. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your precious time. I sincerely hope this was helpful.